Telehealth eye exams are a great solution for determining a customer's prescription when a doctor isn't available on site. But because online eye tests and objective refraction-only solutions are limited, eye exams via telehealth have never measured up to in-person exams. Until now. 2020 Now is revolutionizing the way eye exams are performed today. Using digital technology, state-of-the-art equipment, certified ophthalmic technicians, and licensed doctors, 2020 Now delivers thorough and comprehensive eye exams in-store via telehealth. 2020 Now's non-dilated comprehensive exam starts with an electronic intake of patient medical history. On-site objective pretesting establishes a starting point for the subjective refraction, which is transmitted to a remote certified ophthalmic technician who performs subjective refraction testing via live HD video conferencing. Eye health is examined, along with tests for diseases such as glaucoma, diabetic retinopathy, macular degeneration, and cataracts. All test results are transferred electronically to a licensed eye care doctor for clinical review. After review, the prescription is sent to the store within minutes from the exam completion for the patient to purchase glasses or contacts, and everything is captured electronically, allowing providers to monitor changes in the patient's eye health or vision over time. 2020 Now allows you to treat every patient who walks through your door, even without an appointment. Because with 2020 Now, the doctor is always in.